painted me, I've painted the walls, I have painted everywhere. And now one of the things that I'm wanting to bring into this space is much more storage and the ability to dry clothes in there, the ability to have laundry baskets off the floor, the ability to have the peg out baskets away and not living in the lounge room space and the dining room space and the spare bedroom space like happens at so many homes. And so I've adopted an idea and I'm using an off-the-rack IKEA product. So this is some random form of kind of hanging, drying, storage rack that I am going to first try and build. I think it was easier to paint, and then I'm going to customize it, because if I put in this sort of matte silver drying frame into that beautiful navy white, floral, pale blue, dusty brown laundry, it is going to look really out of place. And this is a perfect example of off-the-rack things can be customized. We don't have to buy old or recycled or second-hand to want to customize. You can actually buy new. Together, I'm going to give them that beautiful navy finish that I talked about. So first I'm going to rough them up a little bit with a metal sanding pad. I'm then going to etch them, prime and etch them, to make sure that when I'm hanging coat hangers on here and when I'm hanging, baskets over them, that they don't get scratched up. And then finish off with, we know I'm a white knight fan, finish off with one of the white knight skirts in this beautiful deep navy. Painting these up, I simply installed both racks with the tools provided, making sure there was enough clearance for both doors. This makes a practical yet very stylish addition to this space. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to see my latest design and reno inspiration. You can find me at Naomi Findlay Official or click the link in my description. See you soon.